Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi, and then make sure that you're logged in. You can do it after entering the Play Store or using the settings. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So now let's open the Play Store, and here we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and here tap on Updates Available. So as you can see, this is the list of all updates pending, and it depends what you would like to do. You can simply tap on Update All and your device will download all of those updates, or you can choose them one by one manually. It's up to you. So just tap on Update next to the app you'd like to update, and your device will immediately download the newer version and it will install it automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.